Hey there, future fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your life and unlock your best self? Today, we're diving deep into the powerful trio that can change everything: fitness, nutrition, and mental health. Stick around, because we're about to embark on an 8-minute journey to a healthier, happier you.
And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome back. I hope you're ready to have some fun while we dive into this. Get comfy, grab a water bottle, and let's get started.
1. Fitness and mental health. Exercise and mental well-being. Let's start with fitness.
We all know exercise is great for the body, but did you know it's a game changer for your mind too? When you exercise, your brain releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that make you feel on top of the world.
It's like your brain's way of giving you a high five. And who doesn't love a good high five? Next, finding enjoyable activities.
Whether you're lifting weights, running, or doing yoga, find what you love and stick with it. Because when you enjoy your workouts, you're more likely to keep at it.
And don't worry if you look a little silly trying something new. Everyone was a beginner once. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Overcoming motivation challenges, feeling unmotivated? We've all been there. Here's a little secret: set realistic, achievable goals. Start small. Maybe it's a 10-minute walk or a couple of push-ups. Celebrate those wins, no matter how small. And before you know it, you'll be smashing bigger goals. Oh, and if you ever need an extra push, just picture me cheering you on.
You got this.
2. Nutrition and fitness. Fueling your body right. Now, let's talk about fueling your body right. Nutrition is your workout's best friend. Think of your body as a car. You wouldn't put the wrong fuel in it, right?
So, fill up on proteins, carbs, and fats in the right proportions.
Protein for muscle repair, carbs for energy, and fats for overall health. And yes, you can have that avocado toast. It's good for you.
Importance of hydration. Don't forget hydration.
Water is your workout buddy.
It keeps you energized and helps you recover faster.
So, keep that water bottle handy.
Pro tip: if you're like me and forget to drink water, set a reminder on your phone. Your future self will thank you.
Next, nutrition for different fitness goals. Depending on your fitness goals, your nutrition might vary. Want to build muscle? Load up on protein.
Trying to lose weight?
Focus on whole foods and keep those processed snacks at bay.
Training for a marathon?
Carbs are your best friend. It's all about balance and listening to your body. 3. Mental health and nutrition. Good nutrition for mental health. Now, let's bring it all together with mental health.
Good nutrition isn't just about physical benefits, it's a mood booster too. Ever notice how you feel sluggish after a junk food binge?
Your brain needs quality fuel to function at its best.
So, eat those greens, savor those fruits, and indulge in a balanced diet. Your mind will thank you.
Next, exercise and mental health.
Mental health is crucial, and exercise and nutrition play a big part in it. Regular physical activity and a balanced diet can reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost your mood.
Plus, taking time for yourself, whether it's a quiet walk or a yoga session, can make a world of difference. 4. Final tips and encouragement. Creating a balanced lifestyle. So, there you have it, the powerful trio of fitness, nutrition, and mental health.
Remember, it's all about creating a balanced lifestyle that works for you.
Start small, stay consistent,
and most importantly, enjoy the journey.
Because the best project you'll ever work on is you. Ready to take the first step? Let's do this together.
Subscribe for more tips and join our community of wellness warriors. And always remember, you have the power to change your life, one step at a time.
Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hey, if you have any questions or need more advice, drop a comment below. We're all in this together.
See you next time.